Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. I want to go over another blues kind of thing, another blues concept today in my video. I'm kind of all over the place with this channel, but you know, I'm always going back to the blues and blues concepts on the guitar. This is a turnaround you can use. I'm not necessarily playing like a traditional 12-bar blues. I'm just kind of going from in dominant, playing dominant chords. I'm going A7, E, D7, E7, E flat to D7, just kind of walking it down. I like to do those walk-ups. And the little turnaround component that's happening here, we can zoom in and check this out. I'm starting here on the B string on the 7th fret, so I'm going 7, 8, 9, 7 on the high E, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 9. And this is coming out of your E minor pentatonic box here. So once again, we're going 7, 8, 9, 7, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 9. I come down to the 5th fret and do another chromatic walk up. Grab the 5th fret on the high E. Grab this B note, give it a half bend, and then a hammer on pull off. That's a sweet little lick there all on its own. I'm going to grab the 7th fret on the G string, 5, 5, give it a half bend. I'm thinking an A7 here, so I'm bending up to that major third. 5, 6, 4, 7 on the D and G string. That's 4 and 4. 4th fret on the D string and B string. So let's back it up and start it over. I'll play it really slow. So this little A over E shape, I've got my E note on the D string at the 2nd fret, and then I'm plucking the E note down here on the 5th fret, kind of little octave shape. This E note on the B string. With my middle finger, I slide up to the 6th fret on that G string, grab the 5th fret on the B string, and then I grab the B string on the G, grab the 5th fret here on the B string, and then I come to the G string on that G note, do a half bend, and end on this E note here. So one more time, really slow. I just go right back to that A7 because it lands on an E note, and that E is the 5th of that dominant 7 chord, so it just brings it right back around. And one thing I might not be mentioning, but when I come out of this part here where I'm going 5, 6, 4, 7, I'm kind of doing a hybrid picking situation here. So I'm hitting this top note with my pick, but then I'm grabbing this B string down here on the 2nd fret with my middle finger. When I slide down to that 2nd fret, I'm plucking this high E note down here with my on the 5th fret of the B string. You can strum it if you can get that note to mute. I just like to make it real immediate. So I hope you get something out of that. You know, it has a traditional blues sound to it. It goes right over that 5, 4, 1, you know, back to the 5, that turnaround that you traditionally do in blues, whether it's an 8 bar, 12 bar, 16, whatever. Hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.